Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, on MxLinux 23.6. Open the default browser that comes with MxLinux, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Click on this .debian package or download and select the same .debian package. Both are same. See, wait a moment, download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. Now install this code Debian package. Sudo dpkg -i, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Now see here, add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code. Select the checkbox and click on next. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications and search for Visual Studio Code. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, close this one. We can also open by just giving code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, ls, this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed rm. Give code, give the tab to autofill entire package name, ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on MxLinux 23.6. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.